Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Subject Computer Science, Class 4, Lesson number 3rd, Exploring Tux Paint. This is your computer book, Lesson number 3rd, Exploring Tux Paint. In the last lesson, second lesson, you have learned about how to work in the Tux Paint, and in this chapter, you will learn develop creative skills using TuxPaint, develop and appreciate environment ethics through storage. Dobo says, I can see two tools in toolbar, magic tool and stamp tool. What are they for? Is it something to do with postal stamps that I collect? Magic seems very interesting. Can we create magic through TuxPaint? This is a conversation between Dobo and Tobo. We know that this is a Dobo and this is a Tobo. It is a half man and half a machine. Tobo says, no, not at all. These are the two most interesting tools of the toolbar, Magic Tool and Stamp Tool. Let's learn about Magic Tool. The selector bar offers several magical effects. Some of these effects are this is a magic tool and there are so many tools available in the magic tool. The first one is blind magic effect. This effect, when selected, creates a blind in the desired area. The blinds can be pulled down or across on the picture or desired area. As you can see, you have inserted one picture and these are the blinds. It's your wish, you can uh, put the blinds only in the down of the picture or from the top of the picture, right or left. How to do this? Steps to use the blind effect are: click on the magic tool from the toolbar. This is a magic tool. From the selector bar, choose blind tool option. From this, choose blind tool option. Put the cursor on the drawing canvas from where you want to pull the blinds and drag to the mouse. When from the magic effect, there will be a blind tool option. Just you have to pull down your left mouse button, or drag the mouse from left to right. Your magic effect will come. Second is blur effect. Below blind, you will find the blur tab. This effect is used to make the picture or part of a picture blur. Let's see how to do this. Steps are: click on the magic tool from the toolbar. From here, you have to select the magic toolbar. From the selector bar, choose blur option. From this, there will be a blur option. Put and drag the cursor on the picture. Just put on the picture. From this, and there will be a blur effect. Next one is brick effect. This effect is used to draw or create brick pattern. The brick walls can be designed using this option. As you can see, these are the bricks. This is nothing but a brick effect. Click on the magic tool from the toolbar. Go to the selector bar. Choose brick. There are two types of bricks, small or large option. Put the cursor on the canvas and draw the desired pattern. When you have clicked on the magic then brick effect, just do the cursor, press the left mouse button and do the cursor like this. Your brick effect will come. There are two brick magic effects, one with small side brick and the other with large size brick. This is the bigger size bricks and the small size brick. The next one is calligraphy effect. Calligraphy means different types of handwriting. How to do it? Click on the magic toolbar. In the magic toolbar, go to the selector bar and choose calligraphy option. From this, there will be a calligraphy option. Put the cursor on the canvas. As you can see, you can write your name, your mother or father name, anything you want to write. You can write here. Drip magic effect. This effect makes part of the picture look like it is dripping away. How to do this? Steps are: click on the magic tool from the toolbar. Listen, all the five tools are from the magic toolbar. Now we are studying the magic toolbar effects. The fifth one is drip magic effect. Click on the magic. This is a magic tool from the magic toolbar. Go to the selector bar, choose drip option. There will be a drip option. Put the cursor on the canvas on the area where you want to see the drip effect. Earlier we have written tux paint. On above of it, if we will select the drip magic effect and put the mouse on it, the it will show like some color is dripping out. Just like magic tool, we have another tool, that is a stamp tool. We will do it in the next video. Thank you.